Edwardsville District 7 has suspended Superintendent Dr. Patrick Shelton with pay pending investigation at a special meeting on September 25th. Board President Bob Paty declined to respond to questions regarding the suspension and the investigation, citing it as a personnel issue. The board voted unanimously to replace him with Dr. Duncan as interim superintendent, who was previously an assistant superintendent since April 2024. Duncan's leadership credentials were highlighted, including his collaboration with students and focus on educational success. Board members expressed full confidence in his qualifications after the meeting, though he did not provide a comment afterward. The appointment process involved executive session until approximately 8:15 p.m., with a dozen teachers present when the vote was taken. Shelton's tenure began in July 2021, replacing former Superintendent Jason Henderson, and he has held various administrative roles across Missouri. He earned a bachelor's degree in music from Culver Stockton College and a doctorate in educational leadership from Southern Illinois University, Edwardsville. The contract includes specific compensation terms, such as 108 sick days annually, compared to his first contract, which could accumulate indefinitely. These details were discussed during the meeting, emphasizing Shelton's career trajectory and contributions.